Hey everybody, welcome to the official affiliate plug. Today, we're going to go over a few tips on how to write content for your Amazon affiliate website. Make sure to watch until the end, because we have a killer hack for you. Despite their unconventional name, Amazon's affiliate websites are nothing more than niche websites. Niche websites are sites created with the intention of getting found by people searching for predominant keywords in a given niche at any given moment. Amazon affiliate websites are mostly described as review sites or comparison sites within the mainstream. It may be easy to be misled and think that it'll be enough to pour out whatever positive thoughts you might have towards the products that you simply intend to promote or to create product comparisons in graphic chart form. Unless you've got a cult following of consumers willing to shop for anything at any given moment, you will not have any kind of success if you follow this common formula. Writing content for an Amazon affiliate website requires a technical approach, but there's one thing we can assure you about. It is not difficult to do if you follow the principles listed next. Money pages are pages in a niche website that are responsible for creating affiliate income. For Amazon affiliate websites, there's a group of basic elements required to be included on a successful money page. Let's take a glance at each element on a purely individual level. A profitable keyword is nothing more than keywords that willing buyers use when looking for information to help them buy a product. There's something really important to grasp to produce a profitable niche site. It's to understand that folks landing on your site are already in shopping mode. They only need a slight nudge to purchase from you. If you give them more information about what they're looking for, you'll push them towards making a purchase. This means that your profitable keywords have to be the following. 1. The common name of the merchandise or product category that you promote. 2. Brand names. 3. Keywords or phrases commonly used to make searches associated with the merchandise or product category that you promote. You'll mostly be reviewing the products that you promote, so there's stuff that you simply need to include on each piece of content in your money page. Mainly, you've got to talk about the advantages of the products, and the way they will fulfill the customer's needs. Secondly, you've got to structure your content in such a way that your keywords fit naturally. If you don't include them, or if you simply include them on titles, your content will get buried underneath a ton of search results. Also, don't forget that your content must be long, ideally 2,500 to 4,000 words long. This is often to suit Google's algorithm quality standards. It puts a higher value on long, well-written and well-structured content, which suggests that your money pages will show within the first page of Google's results. Pricing tables are a pleasant little trick which will function as a backdoor of sorts. Pricing tables work like a call to action. They seamlessly lure willing customers to click on an image of a product that they need to shop for, so that they can complete the purchase that they were planning to make in the first place. You only ought to show them the way. Pricing tables are simple to make. You only need to list similar products at the end of a piece of written content, each featuring their corresponding picture, name, and price. As a final recommendation, we advise you to create comparison reviews featuring multiple products into one piece of written content. It is because it's sometimes really difficult to cram 2,000, not to mention 4,000 words into a review of one single product. If you create multiple product reviews instead, you'll easily dedicate 500 words to every product. This may also work great for buyers researching a product before a purchase. And now for those that stayed until the end. Here is the killer hack as promised. Amazon Associates is the world's biggest affiliate program with the most diverse product range anywhere on the web. But it's still just one affiliate platform, there is many others, that you can use to monetize your site. So instead of just creating an Amazon-specific affiliate site that's based entirely around Amazon products, you should broaden your scope and have content focused on other affiliate products such as ClickBank. So don't have all your eggs in one basket just in case the platform collapses and it goes with your business. That's all folks. I hope the info was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.